Recording in progress.
Hello everyone, I'm Abdusami and today we'll be talking about Amazon DynamoDB. Let's get started. Now what is DynamoDB? Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed, serverless, NoSQL database. It is designed for high performance applications that require low latency and high availability. Now what do these terms serverless and NoSQL mean? Let's understand them. Serverless means that you do not have to provision any kind of compute or service to this database. Instead, DynamoDB manages its own underlying infrastructure. NoSQL means that DynamoDB doesn't rely on traditional relational database structure with fixed schemas and tables. Instead, it stores the data in a flexible format in the form of key value pairs, which makes it easier to store and retrieve data. Talking about the DynamoDB data model, it constitutes of tables, items, keys and attributes. A table may be assumed as a collection of items. An item would be a single entry or record in a table. A key is a unique identifier used to retrieve item from the table. And an attribute would simply be a piece of data or information in the table. Talking about the features of DynamoDB, they include scalability and availability. DynamoDB automatically scales based upon your business needs, ensuring high availability and smoother performance. Low latency. It is built for fast data access, making it ideal for real-time applications. Global tables. You can easily replicate your data across different availability zones within a region, avoiding single point of failure and ensuring data consistency and availability. And the last but the most important one is security. It offers robust security features such as encryption and access control. DynamoDB provides two types of capacity modes, provision mode and on-demand mode. In the provision mode, you define the maximum throughput for read and write operations for your database, whereas in on-demand, it can automatically adjust capacity based on your traffic. Now let's discuss some real-world use cases of DynamoDB. They include mobile apps, where you can use DynamoDB to handle user data for session management or storing user preferences. In social media, you can use DynamoDB to manage user profiles, posts, and activity feeds. In gaming, you can use DynamoDB to save player state, game state, or handle massive player traffic. And in e-commerce, you can use DynamoDB to store product information, user sessions, or order details. In short, DynamoDB is a powerful, fully managed and NoSQL database service offered by AWS. It offers high performance, high scalability, availability and robust security features, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Thank you.